Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression of the Pinky Rose Center Stage palette. Let me open it up. This is like a palette that is made for me. So this is the look that I created with it today. It's a little bit more of a natural look because I also got the Pinky Rose Obsessions palette. Because like this is more of like an everyday, I wouldn't say natural, I know I said natural, but like everyday look. This one is so out of my comfort zone. I'm going to film something with it next week. But I can't wait to try this one. So if you guys want to see what I thought about this palette, my first impression, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. I'm going to be doing kind of like a first impressions of the Pinky Rose Center Stage palette. Let me get comfortable here. I'm using my new ring light because I was gonna film on my regular light and it was just shitty. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I have not swatched these. I haven't felt the consistency. I've obviously just opened and looked at them. But this is the Center Stage palette. I will say that the Obsessed palette's packaging I think is cuter. I found this, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be glitter. I just found it kind of boring. I mean, at least it's pink. It's not ugly, it's just not as cute as the Obsessed. But anyway, this is what the inside looks like. Oh, goodness gracious. It's definitely my colors. This retails for $24.99. They each do. They do limit one per customer, which I think is kind of nice because then they don't sell out so quickly. It's like everybody gets a chance. Everybody gets to be able to purchase it without it selling out. So I think that's pretty cool. Also, I used the code Nikki from Nikki Tutorials for, I think it was $4.99 off each palette. So I did still have to pay shipping, so I got both of these with $9.99 off for, was it 42, 45? Anyway, I can't remember. I'd have to do the math, but I think that's a great deal. So I basically got two palettes for like the price of one, I feel like, because most palettes are around $42, at least high-end wise. So anyway, I am wearing a burgundy shirt. I won't be wearing my hair up. I'll go and curl it later, but I do have my face on and my brows. I just don't have any of my eyes done. So let me grab a couple brushes here. I did get, I was at our local Food for Less and they had some e.l.f. brushes. I got the e.l.f. Eyeshadow C brush and the contour brush. I just love these. These have been working so good to do my makeup, especially, or my eyeshadow I should say, especially this one. My eyes are burning today for some reason. What color do I want to do, man? These are all so good. I definitely want to try one of these glitters on my lid. I think these, this one and this one would need a glitter glue, which I don't have. Surprise, surprise. So I'm going to, I guess first off, let's swatch some of these. So I'm going to start by swatching Star. That's like a good, ooh, that's creamy. Ooh, it feels so soft. But there's the, keeps wanting to focus on my face. I don't know if this is working. This ring light is super bright. It's not even on its brightest thing possible. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that. Oh shit. So that's the, it doesn't look, it looks kind of like a funky color on camera. I wonder if it's my light too yellow? Maybe I should do more like that. I don't know, but that is pigmented. I also am digging this Havana. It's kind of like a red orange. Ooh, that feels good. Ooh, it's darker than I thought. Oh, that's a good rust if I ever saw one. Kind of looks red on camera, but it's like a rusty orange. Ooh, I'm digging that color. Let's do this one basic. For all you basic bitches out there. Ooh, that's dark. There is like a little bit of fallout, but I am, you know, sticking my finger in it. We'll see with the brush how that ends up. Ooh, hot dog. Ooh, hot dog. That's pretty. I'm trying to like cover my face so it autofocuses better. I wonder if I use the back of this. Oh, there we go. That looks a little better, but that one's Havana, Star, and Basic. Digging those. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. I don't want to sit here and swatch freaking all of them. I'm gonna do this one in the corner called Weekend. They're so soft. Oh, that's looking good. I'll put it next to the basic. Ooh, that is good. Oh yeah, I'm digging all those. All right, so I guess let's just get into it because I do really want to go run my errands. I'm super excited. Yesterday was my last day at US Bank, and I'm just so stoked. I feel like it's like this refreshing new opportunity. So I'm gonna, this next week, get organized and stuff like that and whatnot. So I guess let's just start with, I'm gonna start with this color up here just to kind of put on my lid. It's called Flash. For a second there I thought it said Flush. I don't know, I'm weird. Anyway, let's go ahead and give that a whirl. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M535 brush. Tap off some of that excess. So, let me, God, there's English in there somewhere. I have not filmed with the camera and the ring light and makeup tutorial. My ring light has a mirror under it, so we'll see how it goes. So hopefully it doesn't cut me out. We're gonna find out here soon enough. Right. It's kind of far away from what I'm used to. Ooh. That is, oh. Now my fingers have swatches on them. I can't rub my eye. That, like, it went on so nice. Like, I don't know if maybe just some of the eyeshadows I've been working with have been pretty patchy, but this feels, I don't see like any patchiness. Oh wow. It's blending like really good. Oh wow. I feel like that looks really pretty. Like that's a good brown. That's like a, I don't know. Maybe because it's not brown, it's like a yellow brown. Like that just looks good. Like that brown looks good on my skin tone. Like sometimes they're either too dark or too light, and I feel like, wow. I guess I've just never experienced a brown this good before. If it is a brown, like a mustardy brown. Got another mirror over here. Ooh, I'm digging it. Yeah, and I don't see any fallout, but darker colors tend to have a little bit more fallout, so. I'm digging the setup too. This is pretty easy. The mirror on this ring light though isn't as good. It kind of, it's like one of those, I think it's like a fake mirror. It's just not a good mirror. But the lighting is bomb.com. Bomb.com. God, I hope this is picking up well on camera. We don't know. And y'all know I do my eyeshadow. It gets kind of messy, but we'll be cleaning it all up. I ain't gonna leave the house like that. Let's see. Ah! Oh! I knew that was gonna happen. What was I thinking? Ah! Who does swatches on their hands and then touches their face? Like, cause look at my fingers still. No sir, no sir, that won't do. I got these, let's see how these work. I got these Precious Beauty Wipeout Brush Cleansing Wipes at Marshall's. I think for like $3.99. There's like, how many's in there? 24 individually wrapped. Like, now we're talking a lot of plastic in here, but I thought while I'm filming it, it would be nice to kind of have like a wet wipe. Oh my God, I hate when I do that shit, but it's also to like clean off the brushes as I go, because sometimes like I want to use the same brush, but it already has a color on it. Because I don't have 750,000 brushes. Like, that's too many brushes. I need to wash my face brushes, that's for sure. All right, how am I gonna get this off my face? Okay, I'm gonna take this brush. That's not working very well. All right, well, maybe I should just leave it and clean it up later. So I feel like I'm gonna just make a mess anyway. How is this video already 9 minutes? I don't know. Editing's gonna be a bitch, but it's still there. We'll get it. We'll get it. We'll clean it up when I'm done. All right, I'm just gonna kind of blend these out a little bit because we're gonna move on to another color. I'm so excited to go look at some thrift stores though. I am super excited. They're gonna slip you too. Doesn't look like I'm even wearing a lippy, but whatever. I'm gonna do some of this Celebrity. Ooh, yes sir. I'm using that Celebrity to kind of clean up here. Ooh, yeah. I am so digging this color. Like, wow. Oh yeah, I'm really liking this. Maybe I should just keep it kind of like more brownish instead of adding like me and English anymore, like we don't get along. Like maybe one of those people that is speaking a foreign language and I just don't know it. Ew. I'm digging that. I don't know why I just like that brown. Okay, maybe I should go in with maybe the Weekend. Let's do the Weekend on the outer corner. So I used, backwards, I used Flash, and then I used like in my crease, this kind of up towards the top, and now I'm gonna go in with this color, the Weekend, on the outer corner. Tap off the excess, tap off. Ooh. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's definitely like an orangey tone. Just gonna put that on the corner because I'm thinking in here I'm gonna do a glitter. My foot's falling asleep. Oh. Now, when I got off Amazon a ring light stand that can sit on my vanity, so that will be a lot easier. Because now that I'm, yeah, there is just like a little bit of fallout, but whatever. I feel like what eyeshadow doesn't, even some of the Anastasias do, but not bad where it's like, oh my god, how am I gonna clean up this mess? I'm just, God, my eye always shakes when I'm trying to look at the camera at the same time, but I like how it's like ombreing a little bit. Like that orange is looking good. Oh, I love that. I love that for me. Totally took that from Makeup Junkie G. That's just, what the fuck is her first name? Gigi? G? Makeup Junkie G. That's gonna bug me. Georgia. I like her a lot. She actually replied to one of my comments once. And I was like, oh, I think your face is looking a little oily. And she's like, well, I have dry skin, so I don't like to put powder on it. And I felt kind of bad. I was like, I'm not dissing you at all. Love all your makeup looks. Just, yeah. Anyway. So obviously I'm going to clean that up a little bit, but I am loving this. I am loving this palette. Okay. If you've ever seen Lethal Weapon 4, tell me who says that. Whatever. So I'm going to go in with this color Boom on the lid. I know I wanted to add a sparkle, but this kind of has some sparkle in it. And maybe I'll add another one on top, but I always like a good white lid. I don't know why. That is pigmented. Let's start with this eye. Whoa. Whoa, sir. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, let's just ring that around. Ooh. Love that for me. Ooh, Georgia G. You got that stuck in my head, girl. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh, I am making a mess. I am making a mess, sir. Whoa. That was one finger dip. I mean, I might have over-accessed that, but I did not expect it to be that pigmented. Whoa, sir. Whoa. Yeah, I don't think I need another glitter. Look at my fingers still. Yep, let's just get that all in my inner corner, like a lot. Oh, yes, sir. Maybe that's a little too much. Whoa, though, that looks good. That could be like a highlight. All right, let's just clean this up a little bit, put some under my lid. Wow, and this was like a good price point, like $24.99. I never like paying shipping, so I kind of wish that if some of the codes would give free shipping, but I don't think $5.99 was that bad. Especially when I got that coupon code. It was like I got $5 off and free shipping at that point. Just trying to blend this in a little bit. God, I hope it's looking as good on camera as it looks like in real life. Like, I am just dead. I love it. Just clean up this corner. Putting that weekend under the lid. I hope I'm not cutting it off. I tend to do that, especially at the bottom. Under my brow bone. That's pretty good. Like for not wetting the brush. Ooh, loving that. Yeah. I love it when you buy something and it just exceeds your expectations. Like, obviously people have already reviewed this before I have and liked it, but sometimes it's hard to tell, like, were they paid to say that? Because they are so huge. Sometimes I wonder, like, that. Who knows? God, yeah, that mirror under there is not that good. But I think that was like the easiest blending I've done in a long time. Like, just, maybe it's because the colors aren't so harsh. Or dark, I should say, not harsh, dark. I think that's the right word I'm looking for, but just stop here since we've seen the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara, let my hair down, and we'll see what the finished look looks like, and I will give you my final thoughts on the palette. All right, so this is the finished eye look. I just went and curled my hair, so that's all done with my curling wand. Oh, it got brighter in here. All right, so all in all, I would say that I really like this Pinky Rose Cosmetics. I think the price point is good. I think the color payoff is good. I love all of these colors in here. I mean, if there's any palette on the planet that was made for me, it was definitely this one. I do think I need to get some glitter glue in order to try these other two, like, really glittery pigments. But I really like how this look turned out. I liked, again, the color payoff. I thought they were really easy to blend. I did like that there was a coupon code for money off. That always makes me feel better. I am super excited to try this. I think I'll film something this next week with it and try some of these colors because these are really out of my comfort zone, not gonna lie. I do like the packaging of this one a lot better. I do wish this was a little bit cuter. I mean, it's not horrible, it's just, this one's way better than the other one, but who cares what the packaging looks like? It's all about what's inside, and I think this is a beautiful palette. I have to say it's probably my new favorite palette at this point. What else do I want to say about it? Can we also just talk about this hair? I don't know if anybody else watched my how to get this hair color. It didn't seem to be as popular as I thought it was going to be, but, you know, super cute otherwise. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below if you're going to get the palette, if you're interested in getting it, if you like this video, you know, pretty much anything. Yeah. Thanks for watching.